Taking up a refinance mortgage loan, also referred to as a second mortgage, may at the start seem daunting. Nevertheless, if you use a methodical approach, then it will be as easy as 1, 2, 3. Prior to taking out a refinance mortgage loan, you should decide precisely why you want to do that. The home loan could be compared to buying a vehicle. While countless options exist, only a few seem right for you. A choice of varieties of mortgages satisfies various needs of the customer. In particular, conclude how long you plan to remain in the house. More often than not, several options can be presented to you if you want to take out a refinance mortgage loan. Keep in mind that while a mortgage loan for refinancing those changes monthly or yearly will boast of a particularly low rate that may not be in your best interest. Even if you are positive that you want to refinance your home, you still have to take time and make the most of the process. The first thing you should do here is get to identify what the present refinance rates are, in order that you can decide whether or not it is going to even be worth it for you to refinance your mortgage. You have a handful of options when you want to find out refinance rates, and the two best resources that are going to be accessible to you here are the Internet and your bank. The Internet offers an assortment of different companies that help you to find the lowest refinance rates on the market, and generally for free. The goal of these companies is to assist borrowers find the best mortgages or loans to suit their individual needs. Refinancing your home can be an extremely beneficial and financially rewarding option. Mortgage refinancing involves paying off your previous mortgage debts with a new loan, even though you usually only do this if you are going to be offered a lower interest rate than the one you started with the intention that you will be saving money, both initially and long-term. This is the vital advantage of home refinance, and the mortgage loans come with two types of interest rates: fixed rate and changeable rate. If you refinance your home, you also comprise the option of switching from a fixed rate to an adjustable rate of interest. Either is going to result in being more profitable for you. If you are in search of a quick low-interest refinance mortgage interest rate, the Quicken Loans Company is absolutely one to check out. They are indeed recognized as being the nation's largest online mortgage lender, and they recommend mortgages in all 50 states. They at the moment have more than 4,000 passionate home loan experts working for them, all who are devoted to getting you into the home of your dreams. They have over 22 years of mortgage lending experience, so you be acquainted with. They have the expertise and knowledge that you are looking for, and they are accepted as being the preferred mortgage lender for several of America's top companies, including App and AT&T, Google, Yahoo, CompuWare, TDS, and more. They make sure in dealing with every single client, and they are able to process your loan in as little as 15 days. They are certainly a great company to go to if you are looking for the lowest refinance mortgage interest rate, and they in fact offer more than 150 different loan programs, ensuring that you are able to get the specific loan that you are looking for. This is one more great company that you may want to try out for the lowest refinance mortgage interest rate. They are proud to be one of the foremost mortgage refinancing companies in the world today, and their loan network provides you with free mortgage quotes for debt consolidation, low-rate refinancing, and acquisition home loans. If you take the time to check out what the current average refinance mortgage interest rate is, and have determined that at this time would be a good time for you to refinance your home, in that case it is definitely something that would be beneficial for you to go through with. You can make use of the extra money from refinancing your mortgage to pay off other bills, put towards an investment, or even just keep it as pocket change. To or not to refinance. After investigative refinance mortgage rates, you may come to a decision to refinance. The best way to get hold of the rates is by visiting several websites that offer the service. In addition, you could learn about refinance mortgage rates from lenders in your area. In conclusion, another option is to ask your current lender if some of the closing costs could be relinquished. When refinance mortgage rates have dropped low, you will have more than a few options. Think about it. Refinancing will provide you with significant savings